Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys some cool stuff that I got when I went to the special Rilakkuma store that is in Kyoto. This is a place where they have a really fancy restaurant where you can have like a tea shop where you can have delicious wagashi with tea. And I also got a chance to go to the gift shop that was downstairs there. And they have this whole section there that's called Rilakkuma Sabo, which is some of the things that are specific to that particular store. They have coffees and teas and snacks in these cute little canisters. So I was just going to kind of show you guys the haul of the things that I got when I was there. Some stuff's exclusive to this location and a couple things were not, but I'll just show you guys everything that I got there. First of all, let's see here. I'll kind of move things out and let you guys see. I did get this coffee, and the coffee itself, I already drank the coffee. The coffee itself, I'd say, was pretty okay. It's not like the best coffee in the world. And there was, surprisingly not as much in there as I thought there would be, but it's a really cute canister and it seals up really good to keep your coffee fresh, so it'll be perfect to keep other coffees in. And mostly I knew that in my mind. I figured it probably wasn't going to be that amazing, and so I just got it with the intention of getting the tin. So the tin is super cute, and it's got all of the cute little characters on there, Rilakkuma and Korilakkuma, and the little yellow bird, and it was just way too adorable to pass up, so I had to get that. And kind of matching in that same theme is this cute little tin that has some boro in it, which is like a kind of snack that's common in Japan. You see it especially for little babies and kids eating it a lot, and I haven't eaten it yet actually. It's still sealed, so I'll have to try it later. But that's one thing that I was really happy about on the coffee, especially in the back here, is the sticker came off nicely. So that was a huge plus to me. I'm hoping this one comes off nicely too. I just got this one. This is like a spinach flavored one for this snack, and I just got it because I love the color combination for this container and thought I had to have it because it's so pretty. So that was mostly the reason I got that. The snack in it, I wasn't expecting it to be all that great, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know, or the girls will try it and let you guys know. But and then I got this cute little masking tape that's specifically from this location. Can't really see that. That's not in focus. Now I've seen a lot of these things online because they do sell these things online. But I was like, well, first of all, just seeing it, I was like, oh, wow, that's really expensive. And yeah, I'll probably never go there because even if I do go to Kyoto, I probably wouldn't go wherever this place is. And I was just super excited that it was just right there. And we were like, wow, we have to go there. So it was just such a wonderful treat to get to go and have the delicious snack that we had there. I'll be showing you guys some pictures of that at the end of this video. But then also getting to go to the gift shop too. So it was really cool. I really wanted to be able to kind of hold stuff and touch it to see what it was like before buying it. Didn't want to just buy it online. But so this has really cute little pattern tape here with the logo on it. It's kind of hard to see, but really cute design for that for sure. And then I also got this special pencil. What did I wind up getting? I couldn't choose. Yeah, I got a pencil. I couldn't decide. There's also a ballpoint pen, but it has just this basic logo on it there that is on there. And it was just really cute, and I thought I could use that. When you get an ink one, it's hard to replace the ink in it, so it's kind of nice to have a pencil, and then you can always just put more lead in there, which is cool. So, and then the other thing that I got that was kind of exclusive to this location is this cute little pouch. Now, they had a whole bunch of different styles and designs of this, and I was just like, oh my goodness. When I'd seen this online, and I just was like, I don't know if I can really justify paying that much money for that or not. And when I saw it in person and could really get a look at it, I was like, yeah, I definitely have to get that. I think it was almost like 2,000 yen for it. It was kind of expensive, and I still don't even know what I'm going to use it for because it's so cute. How can it be that adorable, right? They're dressed up as bees. Oh my gosh, I was dying. So I knew I had to get that for sure. I think when I saw it online, I only saw this side or the other side. I'm not sure. But I don't recall seeing these guys. And that's so cute. I had to get that. So they had lots of other items in this series too with this kind of material and different flowers and different color themes. But this was really cute and I was super happy to get to have that. There was also one item that was just part of the current design that is out right now, and this has these two little cuties. He has some acorns and stuff, and I just thought, wow, he's really adorable, so I have to get that for fall. And I just got that when I was there, but it's just a cute little memo pad with two designs in it, those two there. So and those are only just usually like 150 yen, so it's not much at all. So it was worth getting that for sure. And then they had this cute little lucky chance item. These like brooches and pin badges and things are really popular to collect now, and they've gone into all the different, like into the Rilakkuma world, which I didn't expect them to really. And this is like a special collection that's embroidered. So Audrey's gotten some things that are kind of like that, I think, from the Ghibli stuff, maybe, I think it was, that she got. But so I got it and I don't really know what all of the 12 are that they're available, but I was like so excited because I got the thing I probably would have most wanted. And that's this little bee bear. I love him. He's so cute. And because he's such a sub character, he's really hard to find goods for. And so getting this adorable badge, I should say, with the embroidery on it and stuff, just so cute. So I was really happy and very lucky to get him. So, and then we also got a chance to eat all the delicious food when we were there. So that's another thing that I'll put after the end of this video. But I was just so happy that I got a chance to go. And I would really recommend it if anybody is in the area to go there. It's actually in a really, busy place where probably a lot of tourists would wind up going anyway. And so, just feel free to head in there. They did have pretty, they were very strict in terms of checking your temperature, asking you to, wipe down, and making sure that the eating place was never too crowded with too many people. We got in there at a really good time, and so we didn't have to wait very long. And it was like, why were they making us wait? Like, there's nobody else here. They really wanted to keep the space clean and not very crowded. So that part was really nice, and the food was really yummy and just ridiculously super cute. So yeah, I will have the pictures after this to show you guys all of that cuteness, and you can appreciate how adorable it is. So I would highly recommend, if you are a Rilakkuma fan, to go there to see these things and get a chance to try that kind of stuff out. As character food shops go, it's pretty high up there, I think, in terms of the quality of the stuff that they serve and how cute it is and how well designed it is. So definitely would recommend it. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and show you guys the pictures and talk over that, and I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye. So these are some photos from the Rilakkuma Sabo place, and you can tell from here there's a really nice view, and this is how the inside looks. There weren't very many other people here. There's these adorable little napkins and coasters that you get to take home. You get to take the coaster home with you. That was the set that Audrey had. That was about 1,000 yen. This is the set that I had. That was 1,700 yen. That has a coffee, and you can see the cute little coaster that goes along with it. And then this is the cute little set that Kate had, and that was about 1,000 yen. And everything was just so cute and delicious and fun, and it was really, really awesome, and I hope to go again sometime. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!